Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add camera movement or camera motion effect on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new TikTok video. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select one of video from my gallery. Wait guys, still choosing a video from my gallery. I think I'm going to choose video from this folder. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to click on next, and to add camera movement effect or camera motion effect to our video, we need to go to the TikTok editing. We can click on this icon, and then the TikTok editing tools will be opened. And if we want to add camera movement or camera motion effect to our video, we can go to the magic effect. Okay, and here we'll be able to get a lot of video effects for our TikTok video. There are velocity, camera zoom, face tracking, face close-up, camera motion, speed zoom, slow motion zoom, and also hand tracking. And since we want to add camera motion or camera movement effect, we can choose this one. You can select the effect you want to apply and hold on. Okay guys, and now the camera movement or camera motion has been added to my video. This is how the effect looks like. So basically this effect will give you an effect like camera movement, just like this. Okay, and if you want to add other effect on the TikTok, you just need to explore it right here. But these are for picture or photo. This effect cannot be applied to video. The only effect we can apply to video is this category video effect, and you just need to choose the effect that you like. But here, since we want to add the camera movement, we can choose this one. Okay, and don't forget to click on next if you want to upload your video to TikTok. Okay, and here you'll be able to post it to the TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add camera movement or camera motion effect on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.